V-Copter Falcon Mini is an innovative drone from 00 Robotics, standing out for its revolutionary V-shaped bi-copter design. It will be the first two-rotor drone weighing under 250 grams. This configuration allows for rapid acceleration and superior agility compared to traditional quadcopters. In this video, we'll take a look at its main features, price, and release date. The Falcon Mini is a drone manufactured by 00 Robotics, a startup that gained notoriety in 2019 with the launch of the original V-Copter Falcon, which was also a V-shaped bi-copter drone. However, it weighed over 700 grams and used the same bi-rotor concept, but its heavier weight placed it in a more regulated category. The goal of the Falcon was to put an end to the quadcopter era, launching not just a different drone, but an entirely new concept, being the world's first V-shaped bi-copter. Its innovative and futuristic design promised to be more efficient, with the potential to disrupt and reshape the entire drone industry. To maintain stability, it featured a complex gear system for rotor tilt control. Its propellers were aerodynamic and quiet, providing efficiency and maneuvering stability. It also came packed with advanced onboard technology, including a transmission system with a range of up to 7 kilometers. The drone was equipped with front-facing anti-collision sensors for obstacle mapping and avoidance. It had an impressive flight time of over 50 minutes. Its camera was mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, capable of recording in 4K at 30 frames per second and capturing 12-megapixel photos. That resolution was incredibly impressive for compact drones of that time, especially considering that the image stability was comparable to that of a premium high-end quadcopter. With the Falcon Mini, the company strategically aimed to deliver the same bold design philosophy, but in a significantly more compact form and with a weight under 250 grams, placing it in a much less restrictive category and offering a more affordable, competitive price to help popularize and strengthen the brand. 00 Robotics is also known for its most famous drone, the Hover Camera Passport, which was launched in October 2016. It's a selfie drone with an innovative design. In addition to that, it features several advanced characteristics that stand out for surpassing other drones in the same category, even those from DJI, such as the features of the newly released Hover Air X1 Pro Max, which comes with a camera capable of recording in 8K at 30 frames per second, and capturing photos at 48 megapixels. It also includes a highly advanced target detection and obstacle avoidance system. But now, let's focus on 00 Robotics' most recent launch, the V-Copter Falcon Mini. This drone uses the same concept as the original Falcon launched in 2019, but stands out due to its compact size and lightweight body of just 249 grams. This places it in the mini drone category. Traditional drones have 4 support points that keep them stable and level, and they move by varying the rotation speed of their propellers. But if you remove 2 of those points, the drone would naturally sway like a pendulum. So, to maintain stability, it's necessary to create a system that applies a counteracting force to the angle of the sway, keeping the entire structure stable and level during flight. This is exactly the operating principle behind the Falcon's angular correction system. It uses precision servos and gears to adjust angular variations in real time. To detect even the slightest changes, it relies on high-accuracy sensors that constantly feed data to the stabilization algorithm. This advanced system also contributes to the drone's ability to quickly change its flight attitude and instantly correct its posture during abrupt movements, ensuring ultra-stable flight at all times. The ability to tilt the rotors also provides faster acceleration than traditional quadcopters, allowing the Falcon to reach 27 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. This drone can also be adapted for inverted flight. To achieve that, you simply need to install a kit with new propellers and a locking mechanism to prevent the arms from folding during the flight. This design with only 2 rotors offers several advantages. It reduces aerodynamic drag, consumes less energy, and minimizes noise. In this test, with the drone hovering at a distance of 2 meters, It generated only 62 dB of sound. The other features are in line with other drones in this category. It comes with a 4K camera, stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal, offers a flight time of 34 minutes, a range of approximately 1.5 miles, and is available in 2 color options. All of 00 Robotics projects were funded through crowdfunding, and the Falcon Mini was no exception. A campaign was created to raise about $5,000, but this goal was far surpassed, and the fund currently sits at over $300,000, representing more than 6,000% of the initial goal. Each backer contributed $199, and they will be the first to receive these drones. This project has already passed the initial concept phase, and the prototypes have been tested. A video was even released, filmed on January 14, 2025, showing a prototype of the Falcon Mini flying in the 00 Robotics laboratory while performing a stability test by balancing a coin on top of the drone. Currently, the drones are in mass production, and shipments are set to begin next week. The official release date is scheduled for April 15th. Due to the great success of the crowdfunding campaign, it is highly likely that 00 Robotics will continue selling this drone, just as they did with their other models, which entered continuous sales on popular websites. It is still possible to buy this drone directly from the campaign's website, but the promotional launch price of $199 has already ended. There are only a few units left of the basic kit, which is now available for $249, with an estimated shipping time in June. There are also other options, such as the basic Falcon Mini kit with extended warranty, which is being sold for $288, with the same estimated shipping time in June. There is also a more complete option, the Fly More Combo Kit, which includes 2 extra batteries, a transport bag, and a smart charger, available for $369. Alternatively, there is another Fly More Combo Kit with extended warranty, priced at $408. All options have an estimated shipping time in June. There's no doubt that the Falcon Mini is a unique and innovative drone, and theoretically, having only 2 rotors should offer several advantages, like greater efficiency, reduced aerodynamic drag, lower noise levels, and less energy consumption. However, that was also the concept behind its bigger sibling, the original Falcon, launched in 2019. And despite all the hype, it didn't become a sales hit or manage to revolutionize the drone market as expected. The current specs of the Falcon Mini are already considered modest by today's standards. Its camera uses a small 5.7mm sensor, shoots 4K at 30 frames per second, and takes 12-megapixel photos. It offers 34 minutes of flight time, a 2.5 kilometers range, and has no obstacle avoidance sensors. Just to put things into perspective, DJI's most basic drone today is the Mini 4K, which is nearly the same specs as the Falcon Mini, and actually outperforms it in some areas. For example, its camera uses a larger 7.7mm sensor and has a range of up to 10 kilometers. Plus, it carries the weight of the DJI brand, which is already a seal of quality, with global access to spare parts and technical support. In short, I believe the V-Copter Falcon Mini will grab attention mainly for being a different kind of drone, but it's likely to attract only enthusiasts. After all, the most important feature in a drone is the camera, and in that regard, it fell short. To truly impress the market, it would need to come equipped with the same 8K camera found on the Hover Air X1 Pro Max, along with advanced obstacle avoidance features. Only then could it outperform the competition and become a real sales success. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.